Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you top 10 tech trends in 2023. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell symbol for more wonderful videos. IT executives must look beyond cost savings to new forms of operational excellence and seek technologies that can help them optimize resilience, scale industry, specific solutions and product delivery, and pioneer new forms of engagement. According to the 10 top strategic technology trends for 2023 unveiled at Gartner's IT Symposium Expo 2022. These include multiple forms of wireless, artificial intelligence, and sustainability, according to Francis Paramours, Distinguished Vice President and Analyst at Gartner, and external events are making IT pros' decisions about them even more difficult. Number 10. 5G and Wi-Fi 6 and 7. No single wireless technology will dominate, but enterprises will use a variety of wireless solutions to support a range of environments, from Wi-Fi in the office, services for mobile devices, low-power protocols, and even radio connectivity, Gartner stated. So much so that Gartner predicts that by 2025, 60% of enterprises will be using 5 or more wireless technologies simultaneously. We're going to see a spectrum of solutions in the enterprise that includes 4G, 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 5, 6, 7, all of which will create new data enterprises can use in analytic and low-power systems will harvest energy directly from the network. This means the network will become a source of direct business value, Paramours said. As wireless networks move beyond mere connectivity, they will also provide insight using built-in analysis, she said. With speed and security, 5G will enable billions of additional connections. It will allow massive IoT, connected autonomous vehicles, CAVs, critical remote control, and more by connecting everything to everything, X2X. The physical infrastructure and assets will be connected to individuals in charge of managing and maintaining them, much as doctors will be connected to the medical equipment of the patients they treat. Number 9. Rise of super apps. Gartner says organizations will increasingly embrace a type of new platform that combines the features of multiple apps and services in a single ecosystem, the super app. Super app technology has been in the news recently because Elon Musk has said he wants to turn Twitter into the first truly successful super app in North America. Super apps have made waves in Asia with platforms such as WeChat, Alipay, and Gook. Although most examples of super apps are mobile apps, the concept can also be applied to desktop client applications, such as Microsoft Teams and Slack, with the key being that a super app can consolidate and replace multiple apps for customer or employee use, said Paramours. By 2027, Gartner predicts that more than 50% of the global population will use multiple super apps daily. Number 8. Industry-specific cloud platforms. Similar to super apps, large industry-specific cloud platforms offer a combination of software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS, that provide capabilities to support specific industry use cases. Enterprises can use these packaged capabilities as building blocks for differentiating digital business initiatives and providing agility, innovation, and reduced time to market. Gartner predicts that by 2027 more than 50% of enterprises will use industry cloud platforms to accelerate their business initiatives. Enterprises will be able to quickly adjust their industrial processes and applications with industry cloud platforms. Composability is a key facilitator of improved performance and change management, as the Gartner 2022 CIO agenda highlights. Industry cloud platforms go beyond standard cloud and provide value by utilizing cutting-edge technologies and methodologies, such as bundled business capabilities, industry-aware data fabrics, and composable tools. Industry cloud platforms solve difficult-to address vertical difficulties by combining regular cloud services with specialized, industry-specific functionality. Organizations use industrial cloud platforms to shorten the time to value and gain from innovation spanning industries. Number 7. Adaptive AI. Gartner has flagged AI before as a strategic technology, but this year it sees a new trend: adaptive AI systems that continuously retrain their intelligence models. These modules can learn within runtime and application, development environments based on new data and so adapt quickly to unforeseen real-world circumstances. Today, if an enterprise has a SaaS application or new release, they can just update the software and things typically keep humming along. But you can't do that with AI because they are literally learning what to do on the fly, Karamuzzi said. AI apps use real-time feedback to change their learning dynamically and adjust goals. By altering in response to shifting conditions in the actual world, adaptive AI improves and accelerates user experiences. When decision intelligence skills are used, decision-making flexibility and range are increased. Contrary to conventional AI systems, adaptive AI may modify its code to account for changes in the actual world that weren't anticipated or known when the code was initially developed. Organizations that include adaptation and resilience in their designs in this way may respond to crises more rapidly and successfully. Number 6. AI trust, risk and security management. Also related to AI, Gartner says many organizations are not well prepared to manage AI risks. Organizations must implement new capabilities to ensure model reliability, trustworthiness, security, and data protection of their AI models by adopting AI trust, risk, and security management, (TRISM). This requires the participation of different business units working together to implement new measures. Number 5. Applied observability. Observable data includes digitized artifacts, such as logs, traces, API calls, dwell time, downloads, and file transfers that are generated when a stakeholder takes any kind of action. Applied observability enables organizations to exploit their data artifacts for competitive advantage, Karamuzzi said. It is powerful because it elevates the strategic importance of the right data at the right time for rapid action based on confirmed stakeholder actions, rather than intentions. When planned strategically and executed successfully, applied observability is the most powerful source of data-driven decision-making. This type of observability looks at data gathered from infrastructure, application, and enterprise operations in a highly orchestrated and integrated way, she said. Number 4. Platform engineering. The discipline of building and operating self-service internal developer platforms for software delivery and lifecycle management is what platform engineering is all about, Karamuzzi said. Gartner predicts that 80% of software engineering organizations will establish platform teams by 2026 and that 75% of those will include developer self-service portals that could include a variety of reusable components and libraries of tools and other modules. Number 3. Digital immune system. A digital immune system provides a roadmap for CIOs looking for new approaches that their teams can adopt to deliver high business value, mitigate risk, and increase customer satisfaction. Gartner says digital immunity combines data-driven insight into operations, automated and extreme testing, automated incident resolution, software engineering within IT operations, and security in the application supply chain to increase the resilience and stability of systems. Gartner predicts that by 2025, organizations that invest in building digital immunity will reduce system downtime by up to 80%, and that translates directly into higher revenue. The goal of a digital immune system is to improve user experience, UX, and lower system failures that have an adverse effect on company performance. It incorporates a variety of approaches and technologies, from software design, development, automation, operations, and analytics. When a new virus infiltrates a company, the immune system immediately detects it, analyzes it, adds detection and shielding for it, eliminates it, and sends information about it to systems running IBM antivirus to identify it before it is permitted to infect other systems. Number 2. Sustainability. Sustainability transcends all of the strategic technology trends for 2023. In a recent Gartner survey, CEOs reported that environmental and social changes are now in the top 3 priorities investors have after profit and revenue. This means that executives must invest more in innovative solutions that are designed to address environmental, social, and governance demand to meet sustainability goals. Gartner noted that sustainability spending has increased by an average of 5.8% since 2017. Organizations need a sustainable technology framework that increases the energy and material efficiency of IT services. and enables enterprise sustainability through traceability, analytics, renewable energy, and AI. The framework should also call for the deployment of IT solutions that help customers achieve their own sustainability goals, Karamuzis said. Number 1. Metaverse. During its keynote, Gartner said that while it might never become mainstream, the metaverse shows some promise. For example, the Indian startup Harect launched a VR recruitment event in a metaverse for companies attempting to attract technology talent. Gartner expects that a complete metaverse would be device independent and won't be owned by a single vendor. It will include a virtual economy of its own enabled by digital currencies and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. By 2027, Gartner predicts that over 40% of large organizations worldwide will use a combination of Web3, augmented reality cloud, and digital twins-based projects aimed at increasing revenue. Gartner defines a metaverse as a collective virtual 3D shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical and digital reality. A metaverse is persistent, providing enhanced immersive experiences. The metaverse will offer an entirely new level of testing and training with remarkable efficiency and support remote work and cooperation across geographical and physical barriers. Instead of using existing resources, teams will be able to train and practice in the metaverse while also testing ideas. The surgeons who split conjoined twins initially did the operation in virtual reality. The endless potential of the metaverse extends beyond IT firms and gaming hubs. Businesses are starting to leverage experiences that resemble the metaverse to connect, engage, and interact with customers in novel ways. Luxury fashion firms are already selling virtual copies of their products in digital department stores, while Fidelity Investments developed an immersive experience in decentralization and to educate and engage consumers. That's it for today, guys. What did you think of the video? Please share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more incredible videos.